Troops Action Buttons lets you take a variety of next steps from a workflow or /Troops. There are 5 different types of actions. Update Salesforce fields. Use buttons to write back to Salesforce and update fields on the object of the workflow. Create Salesforce object. Create related child objects to your workflow. For example, a new task on an opportunity workflow. Send an email. Use a template to send an email to contact fields. Make a call. Use phone number Salesforce fields to open your default call application. Launch a URL. Use a button to open a URL of your choosing. Let's build a button that easily assigns or changes lead and opportunity owners. Since action buttons are created and managed from a workflow, start by selecting the workflow you would like the button to exist on. In our case, we will build ours on a workflow that fires whenever a new lead is created. Click Add Action button, where you will be prompted to either choose an existing button from a previous workflow or create a new button. In the case of a new lead, we will want a button that can assign an owner to the new lead from Slack. To do so, choose to update a Salesforce object. Name the button whatever you'd like. We will call ours Assign Lead. Next, choose which fields you would like to edit from Slack. Auto-updated fields update to a specific value if you choose to set them up. For our button, let's automatically update our lead's status to working once a rep is assigned. That's all you need to know. Add as many action buttons as you'd like to a workflow.